Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I'm going to tell you about a magical hair pack that will help you guys remove hair problems like hair fall, rough hair, dull hair and different scalp infections. So let's start. The ingredients that I'm going to use are shikakai, rita, amla, hibiscus, all in powder form. I'll be using 3 different activators for 3 different hair packs. Many of us know that shikakai is best for regrowing hair, deep cleansing and nourishment. Using shikakai in a hair pack helps to lessen hair fall and improve hair growth. Our next ingredient is amla. Amla powder is enriched in vitamin C. To know more about the benefits of amla powder, please go through our previous video about benefits of amla. Our next ingredient is rita. Rita is also known as organic soap nut. It is used as an economical and eco-friendly replacement of detergent and shampoo and is also widely used for cleaning purpose. Rita is also an antiseptic substance, so it can resist many types of scalp infections. Rita helps to make hair look shiny as well. Hibiscus is used as a whole, in oils and in powdered form. Hibiscus helps to prevent premature graying of hair. To make a hair pack using amla, shikakai, rita and hibiscus, I'll first take a bowl. Make sure that it is clean. Take 1 tablespoon amla, 1 tablespoon shikakai, 1 tablespoon rita and 1 tablespoon hibiscus. Here, 3 types of activators can be used. You can mix these 4 powders with sour yogurt and then apply to your hair. You can also mix it simply with water and then apply. The aforesaid 4 powders can be mixed with aloe vera gel and then gently applied to hair. By using this hair pack, different type of hair problems like hair fall, rough hair, dull hair, and simply scalp infections can be solved. The pack will also help to make your hair look shiny and silky. As we know, amla and shikakai are best for regrowth of hair and it also makes the hair roots stronger. The pack will help you in all these aforesaid ways. If you guys like this video, please give us a big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.